doing a video. I'm gonna say we're gonna be doing a video outside. Good. It's good. It's really nice outside, Goose. Yeah. It's in the 70s, good. It's good. It's good. Good. One time, coming back time. Coming back to Goose. It's the calming grackle, Goose. Look at that. Look at that. Calming grackle. Look at the beauty. Look at the beauty. Good. Good. I feel raindrops. That goes. Goose. Oh, it's true. It's the one right now. I don't want to go up. I still feel them. Goose. I don't want to doing that, Goose. Good Goose. Hey, good Goose. Goose. I'm really scared that it's gonna start pouring soon. If it does, I'm gonna run inside and scream, Goose. I'm gonna promise, I'm gonna scream. I'm gonna scream like crazy, Goose. Once that starts pouring, so I guarantee it's gonna happen, Goose. Goose. I have a pretty good feeling it's gonna be doing. Goose. Oh. It's raining right now, but once it starts doing a crazy, now I'm going inside because I'm not stopping my video because Goose still want to be doing a video right now. I mean, it is nice outside, so it's the perfect day for it to be raining because the sun's not really out today, so plants really need some water, Goose. Because yeah. I think God's peeing right now, Goose. He's peeing. His urine's falling down. Look at that shit! Someone's urine! I'm joking. Yeah. It's good. Mistake, no. No. It goes. It's pouring! Run! There's raindrops on the phone! Goose. I have to be doing this right now, Goose. 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 Huh. Goose. What kind of bug is it? Goose. I'm standing up here. I'm going to get a closer look to it, Goose. Look at you. See? It's definitely see. I don't know what kind of fly it is, Goose. Look at you. Goose. Maybe it's so fun right now. It kind of is. What's that noise? Yucky. Goose. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, and that's anywhere. Yeah. That's everywhere. Yeah. Goose. Hopefully we can find like a hurt animal and I can like take care of it and all that goose. It's good as yeah. Goose. Look goose. I really want to know goose. Look. I really want to go. I really want to too. We were thinking of getting like a pet bird. Because we're not allowed to like get big animals or landlord sets. Because yeah, it's a goose. I mean, they probably made that. And because birds aren't that big. What kind of bird is that? Yes. So I was thinking I'll get like a little bird about the same size as these. And those are goldfinches. No, I'm gonna say house finches. I'm gonna be getting some finches, goose. Yeah, goose. And goose. I do like birds, as you guys all know. You know, I have a thinking of getting a pet fly because I'm not gonna feed that to my birds though, goose. If y'all know that birds like bugs, goose, because it's not gonna be the kind of bug I'm gonna be feeding them. I'm gonna feed them other kinds of bugs. Goose. I love flies, goose, as y'all know, and they could actually be used as pets. If you go search on YouTube or Google, if you don't believe me, go do that, goose. Goose. There's actually videos and posts on pictures about it too, about people actually having pet flies. Because yeah, I also watch some YouTube videos and TikToks about people having them, showing them, like on TikTok, showing them their pet fly, and also on regular YouTube videos showing them their pet fly. YouTube shows too, guys. Because remember I used to have a pet fly. I remember that on like June 2nd, that was the last day of stupid school. Because I had a pet fly. I found him because he was hurt because he couldn't fly at all. But I found him like, I don't know, it might have been over here or over here. Because you know what, it was probably over here. I think the fly in right here probably, I didn't see it. This, this I had to fart. And because the fly in there, right there, goes. And because the fly, you know how flies have like vision that like, you can see everything. The fly can like see everything around him. Because the fly wasn't looking like that this time. He was just looking straight or something, I bet. Because there's an ant farm, because ants actually do like flies too, goose. So I think what happened was that the ants went, because the ants from the ant farm right there, and Brownstuff is the ant farm place. Because the ants went there and saw the fly, and they were like, even if the fly is even alive, doesn't matter. They still like it, and the taste doesn't taste any different than the dead fly itself. Because I think the fly went up there, and because the ants started to attack the flies. And I think the ants started to attack the flies. The ants started to attack the fly, the one fly, man. And because that looked like it might have been the end of that fly's life. Because it didn't happen. They just hurt him enough that he just couldn't fly anymore. Which is good because I would choose him to not be able to fly because what would you guys pick? The fly not being able to fly or the fly to die? I bet you guys think the fly to die because because it's rare to find someone out there that likes flies. The people that have a pet fly. Because I choose to fly not to fly because I would never want a fly to die. So because I kept him as a pet once. I was walking and was there making my way over here when I saw him. And I was like, aw, I need him as a pet. And because that's how I got him. And because remember I did that TikTok of me showing you Goose? TikTok of me showing you Goose the fly in the cage. Because it wasn't really a cage, it was kind of like a box goose. And Goose, it was like one of those flies that reminded me of starlings in a little bit. Starling birds, even though they're not. Because, like, you know that starlings have, like, pretty feathers. Like, their wings. Those are pretty. Because the fly's abdomen, the whole part of the fly's abdomen, like, is a green kind of something. That was that kind of fly. And I was like, it doesn't matter how it looks, I'm still taking care of it. Because the skull's creatures as we all know. Because the ants don't deserve to die though. You know, they were just hungry Goose. Goose, I can't blame them. When you're hungry, that's what you can do. Look at that ant right there. Look. Goose, I guess there's an ant trying to get on me. Here you go, Goose. Look. See that? Goose. Let him go. Might be able to go back to the farm. Because it looks like this farm goes inside to the grass, which is more ants. And look, you know how I know that? Because look, there's more right here. So because yeah, you can tell there's more parts of the ant home. It looks like a big hotel, right, Goose? Because it's not. These ants all live together, Goose. And Goose, look. It's the real truth right there. All the ants have a little hole right here that lead all the way to there. To the other starting point. And that's how long it is. To there. To here. The last spot of the home. Excuse me. I'm just, what is that? To get on me. What was that? Is that like a termite or something? Because you know what? That might have been some sort of termite. I mean, niggers. Don't really know what that was. It looked like some species of a termite. Was it? I don't really know. But I wonder if the ants are gonna eat the termite. They probably are, because they eat like any single kind of bug that they see. Even if they're killer goose. It doesn't matter. Once it's dead, they're feasting on that thing. Because even if it's not dead, they still try to battle. Because we all know who's gonna win, the fly's goose, even if it's deadly goose. Because if there's one fly, it ends up to be 265,000 flies, I bet. Well, I bet even more than that. No, it's not here like chickens. Chicken pop pop. Because the ants do spread around different parts of the world, where Pennsylvania probably. It's because it's a species of, because they live some special place. It's because I said about goose.